packaged just right. It slides out pretty easy. Looks like it's packaged fairly well. Here's your amplifier with the 50 hertz cable. Larger adapters, that's 50. This is the signal booster. Hangs on the wall. Some miscellaneous hardware. With our 30-foot cable, it goes to the antenna. And our power adapter. And a wall hanging mount. Here's the basic antenna. With pole mounting hardware. So I'm just going to screw it straight onto a tree, onto a pole. As long as I can get it. Alright, so here's the mounting pole. Little assembly I put together. Just kind of an extension arm out. And rounded off 2x4 for the pole. For the antenna to adapt to. And then we'll mount it on this tree behind the camper. And this project is possible thanks to Porter Cable Tools ironclad gloves that have held up for almost 2 months of straight work, like these projects. And we get our hardware screws from Jake's Screws, jakesales.com. Today we're burying some conduit with the cable from the cellular signal amplifier and booster kit that we installed. And one little trick when you have open-ended conduit that you can do to keep out spiders and other pests in the conduit in the ground is take some cushion foam and just sprinkle a bunch of boric acid on it, and then any little pests won't want to get in it. Take that over and put it in the ends of our conduit. Alright, here's a little review of the finished installation for the cellular booster. We've mounted the antenna about 20 feet up in a tree, ran the cable down into some conduit underground, and then back in up into the trailer through the electrical panel. Then we'll go around and look at the rest of it here. Alright, so it comes in behind these drawers, in behind the electrical panel over here. There we go. Alright, comes out the side of this cabinet underneath the drawers into the booster, processing all the electronics device there into the booster. That's where all the electronics are. And then this is the redirectional output antenna. I don't know if you call it a broadcaster or whatever, but anyway, I've got it mounted on a cabinet door. That way I can just swing the cabinet door because it's directional. You'll get better signal if you stay right in front of it. So by mounting it on this door, I'm able to just swing the door wherever I want to focus the use. So I can direct it towards the other end of the camper, or I can close it and direct it towards outside. So that's all there is to it. The main thing is you just have to make sure you get your receiver antenna outside up high enough and pointed in the right direction.